Okay, everybody, I thought we'd make something for Valentine's. These little pink ones are rose quartz, and the other ones are just glass beads. And I'm going to make a few different ones for Valentine's Day, different colors. Not everybody likes red. So, let's get started. We're going to put a red one on and a spacer, one of our rose quartz, a spacer, and another red one. That's what we're going to make this one look like. And they'll flip, so at least one of them will probably be straightforward. I'll have to do another one where I can make the heart where it won't flip. You can wire wrap it where it won't. Put those on. Yeah, I got this tray so I didn't have my beads roll away from me because you don't know how many's went in the floor. Well, Happy New Year, y'all. I know this is late, but I'm filming this New Year's Day, so. So I hope y'all had a good New Year's. And hope everyone has a wonderful next year. Just twist it around. I didn't even show you how to do that. I went into automatic mode because I was talking. How to do that. That's why I can't paint and talk. Just be careful whenever you get close to the bead. Oh. My left hand don't work that good because I broke it before. Well, I broke my right below my wrist. Being in that cast for so long, and I didn't have physical therapy afterwards, so that was years ago though. But I think if I'd had physical therapy, we may have had better use out of that arm. Well, I can't get it to go down. There it goes. Alright. Now. Bend it over like that. Yeah, I make these little earring. For people who are just starting out that might want to play around with making some earrings. Or it might give somebody an idea. I like earrings. And there's so many different kind of beads out there that, darn, you could have a whole bunch of earrings that you've made yourself. I'm just flipping it over so I can get a hold of it better. think we're going to have to clip this one. Because I think if I go any tighter than that bead, they probably won't be exactly the same, but they don't have to be. Pretty much, well, no, I got a little bit there. I have got a cat reaching under the door trying to get in. My little boy, his picture is on my YouTube page. Right, and just twist it open like that. And see, I think this is the front right here, and I would consider that the back. So I'm going to hook it on like that. I don't think it really matters. I just have a way of doing things. I like it. If I do one like that, I'm going to do the other one like that. And do the other one. Twist it back. Okay. There you have a simple little pair of Valentine earrings. You could do all gemstones. This is a gemstone or semi-precious. You could do all glass beads. It's up to you what you want to make it. So I'd love to see what y'all try. Thanks for watching, and Happy New Year. A little late, but I'm filming this on New Year's Day, so y'all have a good one, and until next time, y'all take care out there. Bye-bye.